Hello everyone. In my last video we have discussed the reservation and its types. In this video we are going to discuss the process of reservation. The process of reservation starts from inquiry. Inquiry meaning finding out about the hotel in terms of suitability. Now suitability in terms of location, suitability in terms of type of hotel like 4-star, 5-star, or suitability in terms of budget. For suitability in terms of budget, guest comes directly in contact with the hotel. In terms of directly can be on website also, because the rates nowadays are available on website and through different modes. Now inquiry comes through different channels, meaning the guest can contact the hotel directly meaning by phone, by email, etc. Or they can come through different networks like websites, and there are various channels in terms of networks. We will discuss that later in my next video. Next is through corporate and travel agencies. We have discussed this before, that through corporates and travel agencies gives business to the hotel for their guest. So these are the sources of reservation where the inquiry comes from. Now the next step is determination of availability. Inquiry has come in. Now we have to determine whether the rooms are available or not. Now if you all know about PMS, Property Management System, Property Management System is a software which helps us manage the hotel in various ways. So now this software has made our life very easy in terms of reservations. We just have to open PMS and find out, with a touch of button we can find out what rooms are available on what dates and at what rate. Now after seeing this, you confirm the guest that we have rooms available or we don't have rooms available, and what are the options of rooms available at what rate. Now if the guest is interested, he or she will say yes or no. If yes, then we move forward to the next step. The third step is creation of record. Now there is a reservation form which has all the details you have to take from the guest. Details like guest name, number of rooms, number of guests staying in those rooms, also date of arrival, date of departure, what date they will come and what time they will come, so that we can be ready for the guest. Also we take the contact details of the guest in terms of telephone number and email address. This is very important. You will realize it in the next step. And the last thing, but very important, is the guarantee method. I hope you all have understood in my last video what is guarantee method. Next step, you have taken all the details from the guest. Now you are going to confirm the reservation. For example, you can say, so your reservation is confirmed and here is your reservation confirmation number. Now reservation confirmation number is just like a PNR we get in flights and train tickets. It's a reference number for the guest, so that next time if the guest wants to call or when the guest arrives, he doesn't have to tell everything. He can simply give his reservation number, confirmation number. Also a confirmation letter is sent to the guest on the email address we have taken at the time of filling the reservation form. This is very important. This letter of confirmation will have all the details of the guest and terms and conditions of the hotel. Now next step is maintenance of reservation record. Now we have to make this reservation, which we have filled the reservation form on PMS, and save it for future reference, because this information would be required on the date of arrival. So we have to save it with us. We have to maintain the record on PMS as well as physical copy. Next step is production of reservation reports. Now, because reservation is a sales department, they have to justify their work. A report, for example, report is a compilation of information. So whatever reservations you have taken in a day, you make a report of that. How many reservations through travel agents, how many reservations through companies, how many reservations through calls, how many reservations through emails. There are various reports which are made in reservation department, which a reservation associate makes it, and reservation supervisor will check it and then give this reports to the senior management. So this is the process of reservation. Thank you.